Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am coming to you with an unboxing and a special event that's happening through FEELOOK. I will pop a link up in the eye to my first FEELOOK unboxing. This is the second that I'm doing. And the reason that they have asked me to do this one is because they are running a special promo event throughout August. So if you're watching this in the future, I'm very sorry, but hopefully there will be other events happening and other promos, and hopefully if you like this canvas, it will still be available. So we'll unbox and then I'll talk to you a little bit more about the promotion. This canvas is called Floral Cat. We can see that it is a round and it is a 48 by 48 centimetre. So this was one of the 3 promo canvases that you could choose from. There was 2 cats and 1 dog, and I broke with tradition and did not choose the witchy cat. I chose the floral cat. So I've got plenty of black cats. Sometimes it's nice to have something a little bit different. As with previous unboxing from FEELOOK, we've got a lovely felt backed canvas, which I really like, and quite a sturdy canvas, but it does flatten out nicely. Oh, look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Oh, lovely. Right. So, let's get all these bits out. I'll just roll this back on itself a little bit. Because this is poured glue, I am able to roll it back on itself without any worry about damaging the canvas or the glue. There. Instantly, we're a lot flatter. I'll just leave that there for now. So we've got a little instruction sheet telling us about their story, why they're choosing the types of things they're choosing. We've got our kit. It is a, I would say, basic plus kit. Everything you need and a little bit extra. So we get a goodly stash of little baggies. We get stickers with numbers but not symbols. Last time that was my only little niggle about the kit in its entirety. We got a squishy, we got 2 plates of the pink heart-shaped wax, nice little Mosfet style tray. We've got some angled tweezers, very nice, a single brass tip placer, and my favourite skinny 4-placer. They were a really good starting place. If you're somebody that thinks you can't do multi-placing, this is a really good place to start. But do try and get these skinny ones as opposed to, I don't think I've got any fat ones because I tend to get rid of them. No, I did fairly recently go through here and clear out all the ones that I am never going to use. But as you can see, these are my favourites because I've got lots of them. I look a bit out of focus today, so I am very sorry. I will try and fix that if it becomes an ongoing problem. Right, okay, so we have got pre-bagged drills. They are acrylic drills, if that is something that is important to you. And yeah, they come pre-baggied, really nice, and they have got the number again on the bag. We have got some gorgeous colours, lovely, lovely, lovely colours. Those peaches and those purples. So obviously we can see in the canvas all the different sort of colours that we're going to have. And it's a really nice mix of some sort of, there's no confetti heavy areas, but there's a bit more variety. And then sort of down in the corners, we've got these big chunks of colour blocking. We've got 30 colours in total. No 310, no specials, just straightforward. But I really like this. I think it's gonna come out really lovely, and I just thought that she was super cute. So about this little event that they're having. So the promo runs through August, and it is a cat and dog month that they're having. So if you order during August and then post up a review with a picture of your canvas that you've purchased, you will get 15% refunded. How can we complain? Gets even better though, because if in your review picture you include your pet, you will get 20% refunded. So that's certainly what I will be doing, is grabbing my kitty cats and seeing if I can entice them to sit near this picture so I can get a picture and then pop it up for review. This one, if this one has taken your fancy, is $49.99, so $50. But it's a really nice size, and it is a true to size. We checked this with the canvas last time. They have these big chunky borders, but that's not taking up any of your picture size at all. So yeah, and I'll just bring you down so you can see how clear that canvas is. All of those symbols, even when we've got sort of slightly dark, I mean there's no real dark in this, but yeah, everything is super clear. We have for the most part got alphanumeric and then a few basic symbols. I'll just show you down the side here. So just sort of math symbols and then a couple of arrows, but nothing at all confusing. I did reach out to them before the last unboxing that I did for them to ask about the artists for their artwork, and they are all done by their in-house designers at the moment, so they are all sort of exclusive to them, which is nice. Although if there's any artists out there, they said they are open to speaking to artists that want to put their work in that direction. So yeah, I really like this. I don't think there's a lot more to say about it for now. I am having an increasingly busy year, but I'm going to try and work on this at the same time as my own August event projects. So yeah, it is well worth taking a look at their site. They've got a lot of variety there, lots of things for you to check out. I really enjoyed the last canvas I unboxed from them, and this one is no different. I think it's going to turn out really lovely. The frills look to be lovely quality. You can see lots of flat backs. We've not got any dimples there. Very nice. Got lovely strong colours. No issues at all. So I am going to leave this here, this lovely little kitty cat. Let me know if you think that the cat and dog month event that they're hosting is something that might entice you, and yeah, what picture you think you might be doing. I will have another video for you soon, which will also include details of my August event. But if you were doing something like this, where the cat has a very floral bonnet, then I would definitely say that that would work for my event as well, which is harvest themed, and floral harvest is a harvest nonetheless. So thank you all for joining me today. As always, I love being able to share new companies, new canvases and new products with you. If you've got a company you would like me to check out, do let me know down below. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can do so by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already. And if you've got a spare £1 each month, you can become a channel member. That will get you early access to my videos. I will send you some stickers, and if you join at the higher level, you will get a box of goodies in your birthday month as well. So huge thank you to the people that already do that for me. You guys are the best, and I love you loads. I'm going to leave this here. Until next time, stay crafty.